Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show how to simplify this math problem 21 to the power 4 minus 21 to the power 3 is equal to what? Calculator not allowed is equal to 21. This 4 can be written as 3 plus 1 minus 21 to the power 3 is equal to. Now we know that a exponential rule a to the power m plus n is equal to a to the power m times a to the power n. Now here apply this rule, we can write 2 to the power 21 to the power 3 times 21 to the power 1 minus 21 to the power 3 is equal to 21 to the power 3 times, we know that 21 to the power 1 is 21 minus this 21 to the power 3. Now take common 21 to the power 3, we can write 21 to the power 3 times 21 minus 1 is equal to 21 to the power 3 times 21 minus 1 is 20 is equal to, now 21 to the power 3 can be written as 21 square times 21 times this 20 is equal to, now 21 square, that means 21 times 21. 1 times 1 is 1, 1 times 2 is 2. Now 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4. Now adding these two numbers we will get 1, 2 plus 2 is 4, 4. So we can write 4, 4, 1, 4, 4, 1 times 21 times 20 is this 0. 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4. So we can write, we will get 441 times 420 is equal to, now 441 can be written as 400 plus 40 plus 1 all times 420 is equal to, now we can write 400 times 420 plus 40 times 420 plus 1 times 420. Okay, now 4 times 2 is 8, 4 times 4 is 16 with 1 2 3 zeros plus 4 times 2 is 8, 4 times 4 is 16 with 1 2 zeros plus 1 times 0 is 0, 1 times 2 is 2, 1 times 4 is 4 is equal to, now adding this three number we can write 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0, 2 plus 0 is 2, 2 plus 0 is 2, 4 plus 8 is 12, 12 plus 0 is 12, we can write 2, 1 will go. Now 6 times 1 is 7, 7 times 8 is 15, we can write 5, 1 will go. 1 times 1 is 2, 2 plus 6 is 8, and now this 1. So finally we will get 185220 and it is our final answer. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.